Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mini Cooper clock full guide. Start with the ignition on and access the infotainment menu, then open the clock or time settings. Choose manual or automatic time mode and use the rotary knob, touchscreen, or dash buttons to set hours and minutes. Confirm AM or PM when applicable, save the changes, and check the dash and infotainment display match. To set the clock manually, open Settings and choose Timer Clock, then enter Change Time Mode. Rotate the controller or use arrow buttons to adjust hours, press to confirm, and then adjust minutes until correct. Make sure to set AM or PM if the system uses 12-hour format. Save the setting, then cross-check the dashboard and infotainment clock to ensure both displays match and keep accurate time. If the clock keeps resetting, inspect the battery and connections because low voltage can erase settings. For automatic time via GPS, allow the nav system to acquire a satellite fix and enable auto time update. If you encounter locked settings or unusual menus, consult the owner's manual for model-specific steps or contact service to check for installed locks or software updates that affect clock control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.